Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to solve one more problem under Halsey scheme and Rowan scheme. So let's start the problem. A worker's wages for a guaranteed 44 hours per week is rupees 0.75 per hour. So worker wages for a guaranteed 44 hours per week is how much? That is 0.75 per hour, and the estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes. So the estimated time is, this is the standard time, right? So the estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes, and under incentive scheme the time allowed is increased by 20 percentage. Means, so standard time is 30 minutes, and under incentive scheme the time allowed is how much? Increased by 20 percentage. Means total standard time we need to calculate here, right? So during a week a worker produced 100 articles. During a week worker produced how many articles? 100 articles. So calculate the wages under Halsey and Rowan plan. So let's start here. See here, given guaranteed hours per week. Guaranteed hours per week. How much? That is 44 hours. 44 hours. Guaranteed hours per week means what? It is the minimum number of working hours for which a worker is assured wages, whether they are fully utilized or not. That is what? 44 hours. That is the guaranteed hours per week is 44 hours. And hourly wage rate, how much? That is rupees 0.75 per hour. Rupees 0.75 per hour. So in this way you need to write down the information first. Before solving the problem you have to write down the given information in the problem. So it's helpful when you are solving the problems, right? So next one is time required to produce one article. Time required to produce one article. How much? See here, the estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes, right? So the time required to produce one article is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So 30 minutes means we have to convert it is in hours, right? So because guaranteed hours per week also 44 hours, in hours it's there, right? So time required to produce one article 30 minutes. So in hours how much? 1 hour. 1 hour means what? 60 minutes, right? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So for 30 minutes, 30, then 30 minutes how many hours? How we have to calculate? So 60 minutes means 1 hour, and 30 minutes means how much? That is 30 into 1 divided by 60. Means 30 divided by 60. 0.5 hours. So equals to 0.5 hours. So 30 minutes means how much? 0.5 hours. Here 60 minutes means 1 hour. 30 minutes means what? Here cross multiplication. 30 into 1 divided by 60 minutes means 0.5 hours. 30 minutes we need to convert in hours means 0.5 hours, right? So now they said, see here, the estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes, and under incentive scheme the time allowed is increased by 20 percentage. This one we need to calculate. We will calculate later here. So incentive adjustments here, 20% increase in time allowed. So actual output in a week, how much articles? How many articles? During a week a worker produced 100 articles. So actual output in a week 100 articles. Now what we have to do is we need to calculate the time allowed for 100 articles. Time allowed for 100 articles means here we need to calculate the standard time. Standard time for one article, that is how much? That is 0.5 hours. Just now we calculated it means 30 minutes. Now time allowed per article with 20 percentage increase, that is under incentive scheme. So time allowed for 100 articles is, see here, time allowed per article with 20 percentage increase. It means what? 0.5 hours plus 20% of 0.5. 20% of 0.5. Because time allowed per article with 20% increase under incentive scheme means 0.5 plus 0.5 into 20% means 0.1. So total standard time is plus 0.5, that is 0.6 hours. 0.6 hours. Clear? I hope this is clear to all. So time allowed for 100 articles. Just we need to multiply 100 articles into 0.6 hours. It means 100 into 0.6, that is 60 hours. So time allowed for 100 articles, how many hours? 60 hours. This is our standard time. Clear? Standard time for one article how much? 0.5 hours. And under incentive scheme, the time allowed is increased by 20%. Means 20% of 0.5. That is equals to 0.5 plus this is for one article. And under incentive scheme, 20% of 0.5, that is 0.1 equals to 0.6 hours. Now we have to calculate the time allowed for 100 articles, that is 60 hours. This is the standard time to produce 100 articles. Clear? Now step second, calculate actual time taken. Here actual hours worked in a week, how many hours? That is guaranteed 44 hours. 44 hours. Right? So write down. So time taken how much? 44 hours. But here standard time is 60 hours. So what is time saved? Standard time how many hours? 60 hours. And minus actual time how many hours? 44 hours. Means time saved how much? 60 minus 44, that is equals to 16 hours. 16 hours, that is our time saved. Okay, these are the working notes we have to calculate before solving the problems. Now we have to calculate the bonus or wages due under Halsey plan. So earnings means what? Wages plus bonus. Wages means what? Time taken into time rate. Right? Plus bonus means what? Under Halsey scheme, 50% of time saved into time rate. So here let's solve time taken. How much? That is time taken is 44. Actual time taken 44 hours into time rate. How much? That is rupees 0.75. 0.75 per hour. So this is the wages for actual time plus 50% of time saved, that is 16 hours. Just now we have calculated, right? That is 16 hours into time rate 0.75. So equals to 44 into 0.75 equals to 33. Equals to 33 plus 16 into 50% into 0.75 equals to 6. See, 6 means 30 plus 33. So rupees 39. Rupees 39, that is the earnings available to the employee. That is rupees 39 under Halsey plan. So let's solve under Rowan plan. So what is the formula? Earnings means what? Time wages or wages for the actual time plus bonus. Here time wages means what? Same. Time taken into time rate plus bonus. Bonus means what? Time saved divided by standard time into time taken, means actual time taken into time rate. So here time taken, that is 44 hours into time rate 0.75 plus bonus time saved 16 hours. Standard time is how many hours? Just now we have calculated, right? See here, standard time, that is 60 hours. Standard time is 60 hours. 60 hours into actual time taken, guaranteed hours 44 hours into time rate 0.75. So equals to 44 into 0.75, 33 plus 16 divided by 60 into 44 into 0.75, that is 8.79, means 8. Take it as 80. Clear? 8.80. So 33 plus 8.80 equals to 41.80. Rupees 41.80. That is under Rowan plan. That is the wages available to the employees under Rowan plan is rupees 41.80, and under Halsey scheme it is rupees 39. Clear? But be very careful while converting the minutes into hours. Okay, see here. Minutes is there, we need to convert it in hours. And first we have to calculate all the, means we have to do the working notes before solving the problem for time saved and for standard time. Clear? So I hope this problem is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. And if anyone wants notes of this problem, please comment. I will upload in my Telegram channel and I will provide the link in the description box. Thank you.